Imagine waking up in the morning with stiff joints, aching knees, and a dull pain in your back that just won't go away. You stretch, you move around, maybe you take a pain reliever, but the discomfort keeps returning. Now here's the surprising question. What if one of the vegetables sitting in your refrigerator right now is quietly making that pain worse? Yes, a vegetable that millions of people eat every day may actually trigger inflammation, worsen joint pain, and make arthritis symptoms more intense for some people over 60. And the worst part? Most seniors eat it thinking it's healthy. In today's video, we'll reveal the vegetable that many experts warn seniors should limit after 60, why it may increase pain, and most importantly, what to eat instead to help your joints feel better and move more freely. Let's get started. Why pain increases after 60. Before we reveal the vegetable, we need to understand something important. After the age of 60, the body begins to change in several ways. First, the body naturally produces less collagen, which is essential for healthy joints. Second, cartilage, the cushion between your joints, starts wearing down. And third, your immune system becomes more sensitive to inflammation triggers, especially from certain foods. Inflammation is one of the biggest causes of pain in older adults. It can lead to joint stiffness, arthritis flare-ups, muscle soreness, back pain, swelling in knees and fingers. Now here's the key point. Certain foods can reduce inflammation, while others can make it worse. And one specific vegetable often falls into the second category for many seniors, the vegetable. Many seniors should be careful with the vegetable that may increase pain after 60 is eggplant. Yes, eggplant. Also known as aubergine, eggplant is part of the nightshade vegetable family, which includes tomatoes, white potatoes, peppers, eggplants. For many people, these vegetables are perfectly fine. But for others, especially seniors with arthritis or chronic joint pain, nightshade vegetables may trigger inflammation. This happens because they contain natural compounds called alkaloids, particularly solanine. Solanine can irritate the body in sensitive individuals, and when that happens, symptoms may include increased joint pain, muscle stiffness, swelling, digestive discomfort, fatigue. Again, this does not affect everyone, but many seniors report a noticeable improvement in pain after reducing or eliminating eggplant from their diet. Why eggplant may increase pain in seniors. Let's break this down in simple terms. Eggplant contains several compounds that can trigger inflammatory reactions in certain people. 1. Solanine sensitivity. Solanine is a natural chemical found in nightshade vegetables. In sensitive individuals, solanine can irritate nerve endings, increase inflammatory responses, worsen arthritis symptoms. For seniors whose bodies already struggle with inflammation, this may amplify pain signals. Gap 2. Gut sensitivity. After 60, digestion changes. The gut lining becomes more sensitive, and the balance of beneficial bacteria may decline. Some researchers believe nightshades may irritate the gut lining in certain people, leading to what is sometimes called leaky gut inflammation. When the gut becomes irritated, the immune system can react, and joint pain may worsen. 3. Calcium absorption interference. Some compounds in nightshades may interfere slightly with calcium balance in the body. For seniors who already have osteoporosis, bone weakness, joint deterioration, this may worsen discomfort over time. Signs eggplant may be triggering your pain. How do you know if eggplant is affecting you? Here are some signs many seniors notice. Pain after meals. If your joints feel worse within a few hours after eating eggplant dishes, this may be a clue. Morning stiffness. If you ate eggplant the night before and wake up with more stiffness than usual, your body may be reacting. Increased arthritis flare-ups. People with arthritis sometimes notice flare-ups after consuming nightshade vegetables. Bloating or digestive issues. Some individuals experience bloating, stomach discomfort, fatigue after eating eggplant. If you notice these symptoms repeatedly, your body may simply be telling you something. A simple 14-day test. One of the easiest ways to see if eggplant affects your pain is to do a simple test. Try eliminating eggplant and other nightshades for 14 days. Avoid eggplant, tomatoes, white potatoes, peppers. During those 2 weeks, focus on anti-inflammatory foods instead. If your pain improves, you may have found one of your triggers. If nothing changes, then eggplant may not be a problem for you. Have vegetables that reduce pain after 60. The good news is that many vegetables actually help reduce inflammation and joint pain. Here are some of the best ones. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are some of the most powerful anti-inflammatory foods. Examples include spinach, kale, Swiss chard, collard greens. They are rich in vitamin K, antioxidants, magnesium. These nutrients help protect joints and reduce inflammation. Broccoli. Broccoli contains a compound called sulforaphane, which may slow cartilage damage. That means it may help protect joints as you age. Broccoli also supports immune health and digestion. Carrots. Carrots are high in beta-carotene, which supports the immune system and reduces inflammation. They also provide fiber, which improves gut health, an important factor for reducing chronic pain. Sweet potatoes. Unlike regular white potatoes, sweet potatoes are not nightshades. They are packed with vitamin A, fiber, potassium. These nutrients support muscles, nerves, and joint health. Garlic. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that help reduce inflammation. Some studies suggest garlic may even help slow the progression of arthritis. Plus it adds incredible flavor to meals. Lack other foods that can worsen pain after 60. Eggplant is not the only food that may increase inflammation. Seniors should also be cautious with processed sugars. Sugar triggers inflammatory responses and may worsen arthritis pain. Refined carbohydrates, white bread, pastries, and processed snacks can increase inflammation. Fried foods. Deep fried foods contain harmful fats that may worsen joint pain. Processed meats, bacon, sausages, and deli meats often contain chemicals that increase inflammation. Have foods that help fight pain. If you want to reduce pain naturally, focus on foods that fight inflammation. Examples include fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce joint inflammation. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Many seniors use turmeric to help relieve arthritis discomfort. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants that protect the body from inflammation. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil contains compounds that act similarly to mild anti-inflammatory medications. Lifestyle habits that reduce pain. Food is important, but lifestyle also plays a big role. Here are a few habits that help seniors stay pain-free. Stay active. Gentle movement keeps joints flexible. Activities like walking, swimming, stretching can reduce stiffness and improve circulation. Maintain a healthy weight. Even a few extra pounds can put significant pressure on your knees and hips. Maintaining a healthy weight reduces joint stress. Stay hydrated. Water helps lubricate joints and reduce stiffness. Many seniors simply don't drink enough water. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep increases inflammation and pain sensitivity. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. The truth about eggplant. Now, here's something important to remember. Eggplant is not harmful for everyone. Many people eat it without any issues at all. It contains fiber, antioxidants, and important nutrients. But for seniors who struggle with arthritis, chronic joint pain, inflammatory conditions, reducing nightshade vegetables may be worth trying. Every body is different. The key is learning what works best for you. Final thoughts. Growing older does not mean living with constant pain. Sometimes small changes, like adjusting your diet, can make a big difference. If you're over 60 and dealing with joint discomfort, consider experimenting with reducing eggplant and other nightshade vegetables. Instead, focus on anti-inflammatory foods that support your joints and overall health. Your body may thank you for it. And remember, always talk with your healthcare provider before making major dietary changes. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more health tips, designed especially for adults over 60. And in the comments below, tell us, have you ever noticed certain foods making your joint pain worse? Your experience might help someone else. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.